struggling to get responses to your Upwork proposals? In this video, I'll show you the exact formula for writing proposals that grab clients' attention and win you more projects. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Your proposal is your first impression. It needs to stand out in a crowded inbox while showing you understand the client's needs. Let me share my proven framework for proposal success. First, read the job description thoroughly and identify the client's pain points. Don't just skim, look for keywords that reveal what they truly need. Your opening sentence should show you understand their specific challenge. Structure your proposal with 3 key sections: the hook that addresses their main pain point, your solution and relevant experience, and a clear call to action. Keep paragraphs short and scannable. Clients often review proposals quickly. Personalize every single proposal by mentioning specific details from their job post. Avoid generic templates. Clients can spot copy-pasted responses instantly. Use their name if provided, and reference their company or project specifically. Include relevant portfolio samples that directly relate to their project. Choose 2 to 3 best examples and briefly explain how each demonstrates your ability to solve their particular problem. A crucial pro tip: submit your proposal within the first 24 hours of job posting when possible. Early submissions often get more visibility. Also, keep your proposals concise. Aim for 250 to 350 words that deliver maximum value without overwhelming the client. And just like that, you're equipped to write proposals that convert. A well-crafted proposal shows professionalism and understanding while demonstrating your unique value. If this framework helps you win more projects, please give it a like. What's your biggest challenge when writing Upwork proposals? Share your experiences in the comments below. To continue improving your Upwork success, subscribe for our next video on how to answer Upwork skill tests. Thanks for watching.